What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're going to be taking a look at Cardano, its recent price action, along with some talk about news and fundamentals, and with the price prediction for the short and the long term as well. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to everyone for their continued support, the likes and subscribers, Patreon and YouTube members, and all your amazing comments and sharing. We appreciate you all so much at the channel, and we've been growing incredibly fast recently, so thank you to all of you. Our community has been growing amazingly well recently. It's all down to you guys, so thank you so much. If you want to support the channel, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. In any instance, you can sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as we can see, Cardano is a crypto that has been performing exceptionally well recently. We think this is most likely due to the run-up of its smart contract launch of its platform, its mainnet's going live. It's obviously going to be massively bullish for Cardano. Charles Hoskinson has repeatedly noted that there are hundreds of projects coming to the Cardano ecosystem on launch, and there will be more porting over from other platforms such as Ethereum. They have their ERC20 converter, which means that projects on Ethereum can be converted to the Cardano ecosphere very, very easily. And as we can see, the price action for Cardano has been reflecting this positive news. We've got a very, very nice run up to the upside here. As we can see, this blue trend line that we've drawn in has been respected very nicely. We can see in April we had the market-wide correction here, where Cardano retested its very, very strong resistance at $1 here, where it's been retesting. Price action's been running up. We obviously broke to new all-time highs here on the back of euphoria about the Cardano launch. Had a small pullback. We went up again, set a new all-time high. We actually came back down and double bottomed here on the back of the Bitcoin FUD surrounding Elon Musk and Tesla. As we can see here, we've got a nice double bottom that bounced off this previous all-time high resistance here, which is perfect to see. This would have been a great buying opportunity. And then obviously, as we can see, price action's ripped to the upside. I think it did actually touch $2 on some exchanges, which is just about here. Before we saw this correction, where it seems to now be basically correcting to the downside. We could see it coil here a little more and run up again, or we could see the price action coming back down, back into this range. It's obviously bouncing off this previous all-time highest resistance here. But we could well see, because of the massive amount of euphoria that we're currently seeing for Cardano, one of two things could happen. We could either see price action come down, bounce, and then head to the upside here, or the price action may well come down and then range in this area here for maybe a few weeks and then head to the upside as well. Obviously, the gains for Cardano recently have been very high. As we can see, if you bought here around $1, you'd be up around a 2x right now. Because as we can clearly see, this is around from around $1 to $2. So you'd have around a 2x in the space of a few weeks, which is nice. Cardano is a project that we do believe is going to stand the test of time. It's got massive fundamentals. They're releasing their smart contract mainnet very, very soon. And once this happens and more projects start growing and launching on Cardano and doing well, as we've seen with Polygon, we do believe that Cardano is set to benefit massively from this, and especially launching in the midst of the bull run. It does seem likely that Cardano is going to continue to grow massively. We do think a price target of $10 for Cardano and beyond is very reasonable at this point, which would be around a 5x from the current price, or a market cap of around $200 to $300 billion. But considering that we probably think that Ethereum is going to head to $2 or $3 trillion by the end of the bull run potentially, it seems very likely to us that Cardano could even go beyond this, maybe to $15 or even $20 from here, which would be around a 10x. This would likely come right at the end of the run, when there's a massive euphoric run-up, where the price action becomes very, very euphoric and essentially vertical. And it seems likely to us that Cardano is one of the altcoins out there that is set to benefit from the upcoming altcoin season, which seems to be just around the corner. As we've seen, Bitcoin dominance is around 40% now. ETH dominance is around 20%. Altcoin season seems very, very close. We're seeing some altcoins already pumping massively. And Cardano is one of the cryptocurrencies which has faced this recent market-wide correction very well. it's actually only corrected around 16%, which is on average very, very low considering most cryptos corrected 25 or 30%. And bouncing off this previous all-time high as support and resistance, in our opinion, is very, very bullish. It shows that there is a massive amount of buying pressure for Cardano currently. And we do see Cardano heading to the upside very shortly. So our short-term price target for Cardano, we would say $2.50 to $3. We don't think this is a stretch at all because once the mainnet launches, we do think that Cardano is going to absolutely rip to the upside. It will probably have a nice correction as well because the price action for Cardano currently is very, very almost a straight line upwards, as we can see here. If we zoom out, we can see it's been very, very euphoric, although it has been having nice corrections along the way, which we'd like to see because that means that the price action can be extended. But beyond this, long-term price prediction, we do think Cardano easily hits $10 this year now based on what we've seen in the past week. And beyond this, $10, $15, $20, we do think are achievable depending on how much the ecosystem can develop and continue this year. So that's our update for Cardano today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're going to be offering a host of additional benefits, including coin calls, and the higher tiers gain one-to-one access to us personally, as well as a look at our personal portfolio, our daily research of cryptos with massive potential, and not to mention a 100x portfolio that we're currently constructing. So please take advantage of that there. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by depositing $100 using the link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. Also, make sure to hit the like button as it helps the channel out so much, so if you're a fan of the channel, please hit the like button now. Currently only 10% of viewers are subbed, and we'd love to see our community continue to grow more, guys, so please hit the big red subscribe button as well. You can sign up to our free Telegram via the description. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.